Hello, friends. Today we're going to tell you about a machine that became truly indispensable in the fields of the Soviet Union, the Kyrgyzstan Baler. This isn't just a piece of agricultural equipment. It's a working hero, a reliable assistant that made life easier for thousands of machine operators for many years. It went down in history as one of the most widely used and recognizable balers of its time. Designed to collect and bale hay, straw, and other plant residue, the Kyrgyzstan became a real treasure for Soviet kolkhozes and sovkhozes. Its simple construction, high productivity, and easy maintenance made it an irreplaceable tool on the farm. Mass production began during the Soviet era, and from the very first years, the baler proved itself to be extremely effective. It could work in a wide variety of climates, from scorching steppes to the cool northern regions. Its mechanical reliability allowed it to be used for years without serious breakdowns. And even when something did go wrong, it could be repaired right in the field with just a basic set of tools. One of the key features of the Kyrgyzstan baler was its ability to form dense and neat bales. This made storing and transporting hay much easier. It was convenient to operate, both for the driver and for the workers loading the bales. It could be used with both medium power tractors and larger machines, making it a versatile choice for agriculture. Its design was well thought out: a wide pickup, a reliable pressing system, and a chain feed mechanism, all working together like a well-oiled machine. At the same time, it wasn't overly heavy, so it could even be used on unstable or soft ground. Over the years, the Kyrgyzstan baler received upgrades and improvements. Newer versions were released with better performance, stronger frames, and increased durability. But the core principles stayed the same: reliability, simplicity, and efficiency. Even today, decades later, these balers can still be found in use. Many farmers aren't in a hurry to replace them because they've stood the test of time, because they still work. In our time, the Kyrgyzstan is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of an era, a time when equipment was built for real work, not just for glossy brochures. A machine that works side by side with people and never let them down. In conclusion, the Kyrgyzstan baler is more than just a tool. It's a symbol of Soviet engineering, a tribute to hard labor, and a shining example of real durability. It earned respect the honest way, by doing the job right. If you, like us, appreciate Soviet machinery and want to learn more about the great machines of the past, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In future episodes, we'll tell you about other forgotten but truly legendary pieces of agricultural equipment. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.